Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, April 14th, 2024. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and let's get started. We saw the markets get absolutely destroyed on Friday, and once we started cutting through the important support levels, we just saw selling pick up. But if you notice, I'm starting to see some buy signals that are coming into place here. So if we need to see lower, you can see the support right here at the 5108. So that held, brought us back up to the 5123. This is now a pivot. If the bulls can get above this, then we're looking at a move coming somewhere right up into the 5147, but more likely it's going to be coming up to this area here, right around that 5161. And this is really what the bears are probably going to have to hold down the bulls from, or else we're going to be coming up and testing this. But these are some important support levels that were taken out. And if we take a look at the daily chart, I've been saying that this the 50-day moving average is going to be a magnet. So we came pretty close to it. Still needed a little more room, but as you can see, buyers stepped up. But these sell signals have been warning people not to get really too complacent in this market, just because we had an important time period that was in the April time period that we're in now. And, these sell signals were going to have to be paid. The piper was going to have to be paid. And we've kind of seen this, where this is the biggest drop we've seen since going back to when it started in October of 2023. So the 50-day moving average, 5093, these are just the downside pivots that AI is spitting out right now. And as I said, right now with the 60-minute chart, given buy signals, I wouldn't be surprised to see, if we come down to see that the 5093 that I was just showing you with the 50-day moving average, buyers stepping in and we get some kind of bounce. So that would make sense too. It's only about another 40 points down. But if we pop back up, and I still think no matter what, we're going to be coming down and testing that area. But if we actually break through it, which I think there's a really, really good shot of happening, then I wouldn't be surprised to see a test of the 200-day moving average. That's down at the 4718. But you can see there's a lot of support areas, and this is just really, say, a little bit of a longer term, say, target if it gets down there. But, like I said, we have a lot of support areas that are right there, but we also have a lot of open gaps. So here's one at the 4983 that I again, would not be surprised to see that filled come to when we get into the low date that we're going to be looking for. It's not out. We've just been really looking for the topping area that come in, right around this area here. So a 15-minute chart, you can see again, we do have some buy signals in place here. So I would be a little careful. Really looking to short down here. You'd rather be waiting for the bounce and coming somewhere up into these levels here to get short, because I think, shorting right here, you're asking for trouble. So here's some more just regular price supports. We have pretty much where we hit on Friday, the 5104, and then if that gets taken out, we have this support at the 5189, and then from there we have support at this at the 5053. But right here, this 5089, that coincides with the 50-day moving average. So I think in this area here, you want to be expecting some kind of bounce. And again, the hard part for the what the bulls are going to have a tough time getting through is going to be this 5139, and if they do that, that's when I'm anticipating that we'll get that move up to the 5178. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.